What is up? Gonna head over here to the new theme park for a quick little update. Been driving by this for last week, and they added a lot of this loop-de-loop to the track over here. Shouldn't be anybody working right now. This is Sunday, so might be some more HVAC equipment up here that wasn't there before. We'll check that out afterwards. Check this out, man. I'm gonna basically insert some video of driving by throughout the week, and you'll see kind of what they've done within about 1 week. Check that out, man. This morning I saw they were putting up the white uprights, and now already by this afternoon they're putting up part of the circular part of the roller coaster. Man, they're hauling butt. That thing together. This would be a good time to get back over there with the drone, watch it from a safe distance. See them piecing this thing together. It's pretty awesome. The Mattel theme park. Look at all that. They are doing it to it. The crane there, the big boy crane. Ooh, and they're out there ready to lift. If I didn't have to go somewhere, I'd probably throw the drone up there. Look at this. Up there setting that last top piece of that loop, man. Oh, yeah. Made quite a bit of progress. I got the cranes out. What the hell is going on over there? Yep. That's how far they got it done now. Almost all the loops done. I didn't get a chance to go over there while they were using the crane. Shucks.
So this one's just gonna be a quick one?
Yeah, so they got a lot of it built. They got this loop-de-loop where it looks like it's not done at the bottom there. So that's going to go, looks like, further down here. It might be one more loop. It might be 2 loops. I don't know. So is anything connected? Oh, you can see where that's going to go. So here's coming out of the building. They don't have it connected, but you can kind of see where they're going with it. So far, anyway. And then the pads are over here, so they got to put the uprights, supports and braces in there still. So somehow it's going to connect to this loop-de-loop, which is going to go up and around, and then go around sideways. Pretty crazy. And then goes to that blue section right there. Which, look, is that going to go way up to that big gray upright? Probably is. And maybe it'll go up on the roof like the other one. I don't know. Just making guesses at this point. Do have to mention that in the last video I did, where I zoomed in and there was people installing the pieces, somebody said their son was one of the workers there. It's in the comments there. So that's good. I'm glad that somebody appreciated the video, and that it hasn't upset anybody that I was filming it. I don't know why it would upset anybody, so it's pretty...
You never know, though. Some people get offended really easily.
Yeah, so it's pretty awesome. I know I'd be excited if one of my kids or something was, involved in it, or something like this, Especially awesome blue-collar, jobs like this. Men getting stuff done, America. So that's gonna be interesting how you're gonna go through the loop-de-loop and you're gonna go through the loop. I don't know in which order. That's kind of how it's going so far. So I won't spend too much time on it because we're just gonna be making another update after they connect more of this. So let's go take a look. Some HVAC, shall we? My gimbal's still a little goofy on this thing. I am gonna eventually, maybe by the summertime, buy a new, maybe the DJI 4 has more sensors. It also has a 3x optical zoom, where this does not. So this is 4K right there, but I'm usually stay farther back and just go 2x, which should be 1080 at this point because it's cropping it. So I just edit most of my videos in 1080 anyway, since I'm doing so much digital cropping and then further digital cropping during the edit process. But the new camera is supposed to be better. And like I said, 3x optical zoom. I should be able to zoom in like to about here from where I was back there and still have 4K, I would hope. So, you know, what are these going to be? These are going to be probably 100% outside air. So,
hey Dad, can I? Do you have one? Do you have a gun still in your vehicle?
Mm-hmm. Hold on a second.
Can I have one?
I'm trying to see what they got here. Is this going to be? Aeon. What kind of Aeon is that? Huh. Has it got chilled water going to it? I'm able to see a lot of it. Does that say 30 ton? I'll see in post edit. I'm in a bright vehicle with the windows down because it's warm enough here in Arizona in the middle of February to have the windows down. Oh yeah, there's the water. It's chilled water here. We have chillers. Or it's, you know, water source unit that's just going to towers. One or the other. If they insulate the pipes fully, we'll know it's chilled water. Looks like it's got some insulation on it. So all these units. Most Aeon units I worked on were direct air. So not familiar with these models, what they might be. I've probably seen like a water source or whatever. Aeon, just can't recall, you know, because it's interesting. Looks like it's probably got insulation wherever there's a clamp. So I'm thinking that's chilled water. Interesting. I like how they have these outside, you know, stairs and the scaffolding, and then they got this elevator thing. It's pretty cool to bring up their equipment. So, what's that right here? Is it just more scaffolding? Pretty cool. A couple different buildings. I don't know which one is going to be Barbie. My daughter here thinks it was going to be on this dirt pile here, but when we just looked in the video or the photos on the website the other day, that's all part of the beach. And it's like most of this all in here is going to be part of the beach. So I still don't know which one's supposed to be the Barbie theme house. It has a distinct building that shows Barbie on on the website.
Dude, I don't know why I just sneezed twice.
None of it looks like the shapes of any building that's here so far. You leave that, it's going to be still built yet.
I'll look it up on the computer later, because on my phone it'll be too small.
This person in this. Well, Toyota's driven by us 3 times now. In this parking lot we're in with nobody but us.
Dude, I sneezed twice, and I ended up kicking not the dash, but like where the glove box.
That's all the middle of the beach and everything. Of course, that black thing has got a lot more to go. It's where the concert venue is going to be, and then all the stadiums and that horseshoe-shaped building to the left. So, I don't know. Who knows? All right, well, nothing else much new here except for that, so we'll just keep it short. We will catch you guys later. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Catch you later.
Did you see how hard I kicked the glove box, dude? Twice.